Allah has a time and He has a way in our qadr. You know what is qadr? Qadr is our taqdeer. Qadr is the measurement of our lifespan, the measurement of our sustenance, the measurement of our progress, the measurement of our promotion, the measurement of our achievement in life. Allah has a progress plan for that. And sometimes we try to rush that. And then we go the haram way. So you want to make money quick. So the easiest thing is to sell drugs, sell haram, do haram. Oh, we make fast money. That's just being a little ridiculous in the extreme. But don't people do that? And what happens to them? Exactly what Allah says here. وَيَدْعُ الْإِنسَانِ بِالشَّرِّ دُعَاهُ بِالْخَيْرِ. Then the person goes selling drugs. He gets locked up. He goes in jail. He caused the evil on himself. So much given. And he's like, what has happened to me? What has gone wrong? No. We try to rush what Allah has planned for us.